Thank you for coming here. TAC, Taiwanese American Center of Northern California. Remember, I said a couple times because this is going to be one of the questions. Okay, all right. So again, start with the TAC, so you should know your answer. We thank you very much for coming here today. We are estimated more than 500 people. And today we are also celebrating the Lunar New Year. In addition, we are celebrating well, how long have we been here as a TAC? It's been more than 20 years. Okay, more than 20 years. So I'm giving you the hint. Okay, today we have two programs, two special programs. But before we start the program, I do like to introduce you some of the key members. If I can have the page, this is our board directors. I want to take a quick second. So if I may have your attention, so you'll be able to hear it more clearly. Total, we have total 11 board directors. If I may ask the board director to come to the front, please. We do need you, all the board directors. If you're here, please come join us. Please do come join us. Set a line, okay? If you are a board director, please come join us. So there's total 11, and we really want to thank you. Thank all of them to support us for all this nonprofit activities. Without them, we are not going to. We don't have a good place like this place here. So we really thank you for their support. If you see them, make sure to say thank you. Okay. Lots of funding are coming from the board director. Okay. All right, thank you. Now I want to introduce you the administrative team. You should know all these three people. This is our precious, the most important people here. They carry daily activities. We have, me is over there. I'm the principal, and also we have the director and also the primary director, the executive administrator. Okay, Mei Xinjie. Okay, all right. And the next one, this is the secretary that we have. Do we have Jasmine here? We have Wendy. We have Grace, and then we also have Ethan. Wendy is very important. She supports TCML, Google TCML. Today we have just yes, actually on Wednesday we just started the new session, new semester, and we have 67 students. Then this is TAC TCML. Okay, TAC TCML. We have several classes that's offered. You should be able to see the slides. And now I have Jasmine here. And she is responsible for Taiwan school activities. There's a Taiyu, Tai and music, choir, many variety of classes for culture and for art and music. We thank you, all three of them. Without them, the program will not be available. Thank you. And now I also like to introduce the teaching team. Taiwan School, just go to the next page. Now this is the TAC Taiwan School program. So we have 主食学台语 is learn cooking using Taiwanese. Okay, we also have Taiwanese beginner and then also dance. Hubao Lao she's a very excellent teacher. So all this program you're going to be able to see on the other side, the booth. Okay, next, and so this is also Taiwan School's class, Pilates, and also the children's choir. Next. Taiwan School, this is some of the activities photos. Next. We go very fast, okay? Again, don't want to remind you many times. 3 stamps from next door, then you will be able to exchange for porridge, the soup, and then also Taiwan, Canon Taiwanese Christian Church have offered some gifts for us as well. Okay, so you can exchange. Once you have 3 stamps, go there and pick up the gift. Okay, next. TCML teaching. Okay, next. This is the teachers that we have. They all been very, very well qualified. And they are excellent classes. If you have people that you know at Google, do we have all of them here? Thank you. They are here. There are many in the booth as well for today. Okay, so we have a few of them here. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. Next. The next one, this is the TAC TCML class. This is online. Okay. I'm not sure. I think we have a couple of teachers here. Do we? Just the TAC TCML class. Next one. Okay. This just happened on Wednesday. This is our TCML class at Google. Okay. By the way, we just heard from Zhang Zuren that we TAC has received an award, the best TCML class. Worldwide, there's total 84. They select 4 this year to receive this special award, and we are one of them. So that's a great achievement. All right, and so thank you. All right, so I'm going to ask our board director, the head of board director, Li Shizha, come on forward.
大家好，大家好。我代表台湾会馆北加州台湾会馆，欢迎大家今日来参加我的会面的庆祝活动。我无要占恁的时间吼，第一开始的时，互我先邀请咱北加州加金山湾区调教中心庄雅淑主任，请庄主任大概我先我免想讲，大家拢捌。
We welcome Cultural Center Oteco in Milpitas. We thank you very much for her support. Our TCML class, without her, we're not going to make it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sophia Zhang. I'm the director of the Cultural Center Oteco in Milpitas. Today, I'm so honored and so pleasure to attend this wonderful event. As you know, this year is a year of the snake. In traditional in Taiwan, the snake means wisdom and smart. So I'm so appreciate the TAC to do this wonderful event to celebrate the Lunar New Year to all our community. And I want to wish everyone have a good year in the coming year. 各位咱所有侨胞朋友，大家好，我是金山湾区的侨务中心的主任庄雅淑吼，今日非常的欢喜，咱台湾会馆会当办这 Lunar New Year，甲咱的 community 吼，做阵来庆祝咱的农历的新年吼，而且要来祝福着咱所有的侨胞朋友，会当伫新的一年会当平安顺遂。而且要来甲所有的侨胞朋友来广告一下吼，咱即马。 咱侨委会有来推广一个爱侨卡吼，这爱侨卡足好用的吼。咱若要转去台湾的食衣住行娱乐，也是要伫遮吼，像咱段春生牛肉面啊，咱新麦面包，咱爱台湾 food， 还有咱做侪咱的特约商店吼，拢伫爱侨卡特约店内底吼。咱今日吼，咱侨教中心吼，伫对面有一个 booth。 大家若有需要吼，会当去填一个申请表，咱会当摕到一个小礼物吼，希望会当带着咱所有的侨胞朋友一个快乐的年。做到实在来多谢咱台湾会馆，嘛来恭祝咱所有的侨胞朋友在新的一年内底会当平安顺遂，多谢啦。
Thank you.
咱有一点小小的意思吼，来送互咱郑主任吼。
This is actually coming from Canaan Church because they welcome you to come over here. They welcome you to come to the building here. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
好，咱伫遮甲大家恭喜过年，等下咱有足侪节目吼，大家讲新年快乐。 恭喜发财！红包拿来，等一下有红包，等一下有红包。
我要交，现在交。OK， 等一下我们今天有好几位这个特别来宾，妇女会会长，我们同乡联妇女会，你有好几个 title 哎。
干嘛做侨委？
对啊，你又是我们今年的侨务委员啊。 We welcome， 我们欢迎你，非常欢迎你。侨务委员啊，有事情找他就对了。OK， 好，那我们还有
同乡联合会，
我们还有一个是同乡联合会的黄桂华会长到家长，在这里。OK， 这个副校长。OK， 那我们很感谢这个同乡联合会的这个会长，他还特地拿了一个礼物，是要我们待会抽奖用的。OK， 好，谢谢。好，谢谢。来，好。
是戴山顶帽子一下。
在把火地地落，被人袭来火落，我双牙会被落，最后是挂起的，地头岸左右后，头地落，最后是来就落，在把火地地落。天地的位，我希望 小比例，我来存题，弟弟家里，我来存题，你家里，我来存题，你家里。今仔日，咱要来甲大家拜年，祝大家新年快乐，身体健康，万事如意。
Thank you. And the cute little so lovely. Here's a red envelope for them. Here's the red envelopes for this group of kids. And stay here. We're going to take a picture. Okay. If you have children at home, we really encourage you to participate in this. They're so good. There's so many activities that they will be involved, and they get to talk to the grandparents at home, and also visit so many events. There's multiple events that's already. 等一下，那个你再。Okay, thank you. So if you have little ones, please join us. The new semester is coming up in February 15, and you learn how to cook. You also learn how to speak Taiwanese. Okay, thank you. The next one, we thank you very much for the Evergreen Academic team that will be joining us here. This is a special team, so if you have senior or elders at home, please to join them. They do have a booth. Okay, they have a booth, so they welcome you. Give them a lots of activities. They meet every Saturday. Okay, all right. Remember, if you have elders or seniors at home, send them to school. It's actually at this location downstairs. Okay.
介绍一下曾经。
我介绍一寡阮的长青学院是嘉南长青学院，是咱上年轻有活力的人家，不是老人家。所以阮即马有一个布施伫遐，欢迎各位小等若有时间来甲阮参观一下，嘛欢迎大家用个加入阮的 program。 阮是乐龄学习，我们希望活到学到老。接下来，我们唱笑咪咪，多谢。
咱着笑咪咪，逐天笑咪咪，无论拄着啥代志。 咱着笑咪咪，逐天笑咪咪，咱的耶稣的拜笔，主办公义呐，相信的人，才来亲近你，伊要赐安慰，伊若有担当，头前看无路，咱的救主天堂带路。 咱着笑咪咪，逐天笑咪咪，无论拄着啥代志。咱着笑咪咪，逐天笑咪咪，咱的耶稣的拜笔，主办公义呐，相信的人，才来亲近你，伊要赐安慰，伊若有担当。 头前看无路，咱的救主天堂带路。伊若有担当，头前看无路，咱的救主天堂带路。
好，谢谢。
All right, here comes the next program. We got red envelopes. Remember I told you there's 12 total, 26 of them. Okay. We're going to start because we have 26, so that we're going to be able to go very fast. So, kids, children, please come forward here. You want to sit down? Get a chance to get the envelope. If you don't think you're going to know the answer, stay right next to your parents because they might be able to give you the answer. Okay, so unless there's no kids raise their hand that they can answer, we will only give to adults if no kids are able to answer. All right, so here goes. What does TAC stand for? TACNC. Yes, go ahead. All right. Okay, come on here. You get the envelope. All right, the next one. Please focus now, okay? We're going to go very fast. Okay, the next one is, what is the purpose of Taiwan TAC? The purpose of TAC. Let me speak in the Mandarin. 就北加州台湾会馆的宗旨是促进台美人与美国主流社会的相互认识，或者是推广有利于台美人的社交活动，或者是争取台美人的合法权。Anybody? Yes. Yes. Come on here. All right, good. The next one. All right. So, what is TAC's vision? The first one is 提供台美人一个家的感觉 as a family， 鼓励同乡参与的奉献，促进美加各地台湾会馆的联谊。Oh, okay, yes. Well, okay, come on in. Okay, every envelope. Okay, okay. Hey, you want the every envelope? Yes, yes. It's good. We got money in there. Okay, next one. Do you know who we actually changed moved to this address, the new address? 2002, 2008, or 2009? Anybody? Yeah. Come on. Street 209, yes. All right, the next one. Do you know what year that we are celebrating this year? Is that 5th anniversary or 10th anniversary or 20? Anybody? Oh, 14. 5, 10, or 14? But no, this is actually a different question. I'm going too fast myself. This is actually the when did we last have the celebration for the substantiality and also for the Thanksgiving offering. Do we know? It's already 2. So we can have this one? Nobody, right? Okay. Okay, go ahead. You already know the answer. What is it? 2. Okay, come on. Give away. I went too fast myself. I'm sorry about that. So, we are celebrating how many years now? Do we celebrate 10, 20, or 30? Oh, baby, come on in. All right, come. We have the baby over there. Okay. All right. It's only 1 year old, right?
We're turning 2 next month.
Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you. All right, next one. Okay. We have 2 schools at TAC right now, and which one is not that we are not offering yet? Which one we are not offering? What台湾学校、语文学校或中文学校？This one, okay. Very good. That's the answer. Okay, come on. All right. Next one. Okay. TAC, they usually have different activities during the week. So which one? Okay. What program do they have? Okay. Which one? 长辈会乒乓球 which one? 3, yeah, 3, okay. We actually have all these activities here. Okay. The next one. Oh, how many events that we have? This is a 3 type of events that we actually offer already. 台湾最想曲萧太郎音乐会，两者皆是。Okay, 两者皆是。What's the answer? What's the answer? Okay. All right. Make sure that I have all the kids here. They can all get it. Okay. All right. Next one. Is TAC a non-profit or profit center? It's 1 or 2. What's the answer? Yeah, non-profit. No, non-profit. Okay. Now we have questions. So we still have many kids have not received a red envelope. So please give them a chance, okay? All right. Now, Taiwan School, Dad and Mommy, please pay attention to this. Which of the following is not a Taiwan School course? Taiwanese People Club, Acting, Fun Taiji for kids, or Literary Taiji? Do we know? You know? B, Acting? Oh, what's the answer? Yeah, you got it, good. 我们不常说 acting， 我们还没有这个课程。Okay, Taiji has influences from each of the following: Japanese, Mandarin, or Taiwanese Aboriginal language, or all of above. Okay, Kiki? 4? Okay, come on, all of the above. All right. Okay, next one. This is a little bit harder. What is a non-Hanzi Taiji writing system that's been around for over 150 years? Ready? Daiduo, extended program for Taiwanese Kata. Anybody? Yes? Okay, what's the answer? Ready? Okay, good, you got it. All right, next one. What textbooks have been written in Taiji? Physiology, math, geography, and all the above. Anybody? Okay. Okay, what's the answer? All the above. 4. Yes, please come forward. Okay. All right, next one. Do we know the Yijia yoga class is what type? Is that the adult 成人、儿童、亲子或老人? Anybody know? Which one? Which one has not get it? Huh? Have you received it? Okay, come on in. All right. Okay, now, the children choir that you just heard, what language are they using? What language are they using? Are you using the Mandarin, Taiwanese, English, or Spanish? Who have not get the answer yet? If you have no answer, yes. Okay, next one. Which one is not our class as yet? 2025? The first one is cooking, the second one is Pilates, and then the yoga, and then the art. Okay, what is it? Okay, very good. That's the answer. 我们还没有创意课, okay? All right. Who can tell me this one? Raise your hand if you can. Yes? Oh, wonderful. I thought it was Taiwan Hakao. But it's Taiwan Hakao. Yes. I thought it's Hakao. All right, next one is the TCML class. Okay. Do you know how this is TCML now? This is TCML. So what age can they participate? 6 years old, 16, or 18? Which one? You already have yours. What's yours? What's the answer? Okay, 18. Need to be a because it's a very concentrated and focused class. Okay, TCMR they use what book textbook? 来学华语，学华语向前走，当代中文。Anybody know? Anybody have not gotten yet? Huh? Yeah, have you gotten it yet? Oh, okay, come on in. Yes, come on in. All right. Yes, 来学华语 is the textbook. Okay, TCML 学的是什么字体？简体中文、繁体中文还是英文？啊 ，Okay, who? Did you get it? Come. Yes, you got the answer. 2. Here's it. They got some money there. Red envelope. You want to get the red envelope? No. Okay, the next one. TCML 的全名是什么 in Mandarin？ 台湾华语文学习中心、中文学习中心、台语学习中心。1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Sure. So let's come on. All right. Kids, come on, take your kids. You don't put, right now it's adult now, okay? So please, raise your kids, children. Okay, PCML, do we limit their nationality? Only Taiwanese can attend, or only foreign attenders, or any nationality? Anybody? Wait. Kids. Have you received your envelope? All right. Okay, and now this is Taiwan Huiguan PCML. Okay. Now I don't know the answer on this one. You have to tell me. Is it online, physical location, or both? I don't know the answer on this one. So somebody will have to tell me. Okay. 3? Is that 3? Thank you for letting me know. Okay, did you get it? Yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, when are we going to start TAC PCML class? In spring. Is it January 28th, February 25th, or March 4th? If you've been to the booster, you should know. What's the answer? Have you get it? 收到了吗? Okay, come. Red envelope. Okay, PCML. Okay, is this the last question we have? Okay, all right. Okay, now we have to be very serious now. Okay, because this one we're going to give an extra bonus. Remember, I told you that we have a bonus. Oh, okay. So put your hands down first. This is a very serious question. Put your hands down. When I say yes, when I ask, and you raise your hand. Very serious question now. Everybody, okay. All right. Are you all ready? 台湾会馆 TAC PCML 现在有和哪一个科技公司合作 ？Which one have we partnered with? A. Google, B. Meta, 3. Apple. Okay, 财务长，不是财务长，这个财神爷。This lady, can you give us one? 最小的 ，the youngest. Okay, youngest. 他已经有了一个哪一个没有？没有的，最小的最年轻。Okay, good. Come on in. Yes. Thank you. We encourage little kids to come join us at TAC. Here. Okay, this is yours too. Okay, thank you. All right. We are done with all the programs here today. So please do visit your booths. Okay, make sure that you go and exchange. If you visit 3 stations, you have to stand for it. You can exchange for a gift. Okay. And also we do have the Taiwanese porridge, the Jianmui, waiting for you. Okay. So thank you very much for coming, and we hope that you have a good time. Thank you. Enjoy all the foods that we have provided for you. And we thank you very much for all different 4 different partners here. We really appreciate they make it happen for us, and we thank you.
我家嘅爹夫喺烏劍嗰啲公司。OK。好，比个赞。
大家恭喜新年快乐大赚钱！
新春健康平安。
有先赚钱，我袂记你无摕来投年款。
OK， 好，谢谢。恭喜！
这个恩爱夫妻啊，
真的好恩爱哦。
啊。好，来。
那就很讨厌，然后就把它弄大。
谢谢哦。
哦，这咸糜就是这。
那个
很棒哦！真的好厉害哦！
老少咸宜啊。
对，你就可以去换那个咸粥。他有玩的吗？他有玩吗？
可以放那个筷子啊、刀子啊，特方便。
在他们学校旁边嘛。他没有看到。
来。啊！哦！来。啊！老板。妈妈。 口常开。哦，金蛇迎春。
还好，来，给你，送你一个礼物。
你要干嘛？吉祥话找一找。来，你说说，上面有什么？把它捡起来，来，这什么？看看什么字？
你快翕我啦！
好，你想来，看看。没关系。哦，来，你去讲布哪有布？这样子的字，你像这样子的字。这个，它这边有没有？这样，看看有没有？
对，超高深。可以用直线来画一下。
然后呢？
观众。
还有一个在这里，看到没有？哪两个？
它的旁边有，哪里有？对，然后高深。
这个字在哪里？
在这边来个高，然后还有一个自身，
来，那这个就是这个这边，这个。好。
它一个12年大，明年是那个的那
这个跟这边一样。然后再画一大的。慢慢的印过来。
笑口常开要常常笑哦。
是吗？
哇，
好了，可以。
来。哦，对对对，好好。
我们就来看看咖啡机哦，来哦，哎，对对。我就是煮啊。OK， 我是领导，我来个这里，啊哈，我来个这里，我来个这里，就好了哈，耶。加的哦哈，加的去。哎，过来，哎。
哎呦，好棒哦！
阿公阿妈。哎。
都没有你看，我加的安娜，哦，好水哦，好水哦。OK，都来洗手哦。
是的，可是你要剪有
图案的，
鱼，你要剪鱼。好，那我教你了哈，你就拿一支剪刀，然后这个是有安全措施，说你就要打开，打开才可以使用，所以你要自己动它，好不好？你先把它打开。
好了，这个跟它先跟它盖个章。
它还没打开哦，你要自己把它打开。还没打开了 ，OK， 很好。那在这里呢，我讲个国语听得懂吗？可以听得懂吗？可以 understand？ 你照这个黑色的线剪，这样剪，这样可以吗？好，你们这边写字好。
你这家剪过是不是？宝宝带你剪过。
我剪过了。
哦。
是的。那我跟你盖红色的章好不好啊？
好，来。
哇，你有一碗稀饭可以吃了。让爸爸带他去旅行，对，小心手，好不好？对，慢慢剪不急。然后你会了以后回去就可以叫爸爸跟妈妈了，对不对？
对，觉得双
很巧吧？真的很巧。
还小学1年级，
1年级的。
6岁，大。
没关系，
没关系，
你只要虽然捡到了，但是不要断也没有关系，它出来还是漂亮的。
哦，
是不是？是，
对对对，
那一样，年年有余。这我们这摊生意不错哦，我们已经有3个客人了。很好，小心手，手一定要小心哦。大家做事情
他很仔细。你2个小孩是还是1个？
那2个，他有哥哥在那边。
要不要来坚持一下？
我自己选，你要选
哪一种花样？
还是要花样？你要有花样，要花样。好，那你要简单一点还是要复杂一点？简单，我好几种人。
来自己选。
有好几种人，给你看这个，这个你看。
哇，对，你选你喜欢的。
要小心手不要来点那个，它会是这样子，好不好？然后这个你再点这里面，点完以后再点这里面。
你俩还做的，我听看看。
I think our church is starting a new evangelism program. They do a lot of campus already. Where they're planning to.
No, this is good to get a.
I guess. Yeah, I guess I also wonder like what evangelists do. I just like
Yeah, you got it. 可是你还可以再来一次，试试看。那你的 lucky 怎么样？
哎，哇！
3次哦，3次。这100才有奖啊，这个没有。那你看，这100才有。等好久。没有。再来一次，要不要看？不让。
哦，来宝贝。
哇，没有。啊，last one， 再一次，再一次。
One more time。
哦，good job。
2個卡上來。
有点麻烦。The other way. The other way. Come on there. 你要再问，我过来啊。哇！哇！
手超过30米。
来 ，OK， 哇！哦，3个全中啊！ 踹这个，踹这个，踹这个，对。哈哈哈。Oh, almost.红包。
那个后面的人不敢去扶。麻烦你能帮我
Sorry.